Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot. Does Relay Financial work with PayPal? If you're a business owner or freelancer looking to streamline your finances, the answer could be a game changer for you. So, let's get into it. Now, I know what you're thinking. PayPal. It's like the OG of online payments, right? And Relay Financial? Well, they're this fresh, new kid on the block promising to revolutionize business banking. So, do these two financial powerhouses play nice together? Let's break it down. First off, Relay Financial is a relatively new player in the business banking game. They've come in strong with a focus on features like multiple checking accounts, virtual cards, and expense management tools. It's a pretty compelling package for small businesses and freelancers. But, as with any new tool, compatibility is a major concern. So, does Relay Financial support PayPal? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. On-screen text, the complicated truth. While Relay Financial doesn't have a direct integration with PayPal like some other banking platforms, that doesn't mean you're completely out of luck. Here's the deal. Linking your Relay account to PayPal, you can typically link your Relay Financial bank account to PayPal just like you would with any other bank. This means you can use your Relay account as a funding source for PayPal transactions. However, keep in mind that this might not be instant and could involve verification steps. PayPal deposits to Relay. Receiving PayPal funds into your Relay account is generally possible. PayPal deposits should show up as regular transactions in your Relay account. However, it's always a good idea to double-check with Relay support to confirm their specific policies and procedures. Limitations and considerations. While you can link your Relay account and transfer funds between the two platforms, you might encounter some limitations. For example, you might not be able to use PayPal's virtual cards with your Relay account, or there could be delays in funds transfer. On-screen text. Why the uncertainty? You might be wondering why there's so much uncertainty around this. Well, the financial landscape is constantly evolving. Integrations between different platforms can change rapidly. Plus, Relay Financial is a relatively new player, so their compatibility with older systems like PayPal might have some kinks to work out. On-screen text. Tips for using Relay and PayPal together. So, what can you do? Check for updates. Keep an eye on both Relay Financial and PayPal for any announcements about new integrations or features. Contact support. If you're facing issues, reach out to Relay Financial's customer support. They can provide the most accurate and up-to-date information about compatibility. Explore alternatives. If direct integration is crucial for your business, consider exploring other payment platforms that might have a smoother integration with Relay Financial. Manual transfers. As a last resort, you can always manually transfer funds between your Relay account and PayPal. It's less convenient, but it gets the job done. On-screen text. Conclusion. While the relationship between Relay Financial and PayPal isn't as seamless as we'd like, it's still possible to make it work. By understanding the limitations and exploring potential workarounds, you can effectively manage your finances using both platforms. Remember, the financial landscape is dynamic. What's true today might change tomorrow. So, stay informed, be flexible, and always prioritize the best solution for your business. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.